Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3.2 problem number 2. Let us see the question. This is the given question. Once I will read the question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Also give reasons for your answers. A. Only one line can pass through a given point. B. All right angles are equal. C. Circles with same radii are equal. Radii is nothing but plural of the radius. Radius is singular one and radii is its plural. Okay, right here. D. A line segment can be extended on its both sides endlessly to get a straight line. And this diagram is for E. So given AB is a straight line and C is a point on AB. From figure, AB greater than AC. Right. So we have to say whether they are true or false, and also we have to give reasons. Let us see one by one. First one. Only one line can pass through a given point. Yeah, consider this is a given point. So we can draw a line like this and like this. We can draw many lines. Okay, we can draw a infinite number of lines, but given only one line can pass through a given point. Yeah, what is the answer now? It is false, because we can draw infinitely many numbers like this. Okay, so this is false. Okay, you have to draw a diagram and write there. Given statement, or no need to write all the things, just write down false, because we can draw infinitely many lines through a given point. Okay, right. First of all, draw a diagram, then after write down false, because we can draw infinitely many lines through a given point. Okay, right. Coming to B. All right angles are equal. Yes, from Euclid postulate 4, what we have? All right angles are equal. Okay, now what we can say? All right angles are true by this Euclid fourth postulate. Okay, I hope you understand. Coming to C. Circles with same radii are equal. Right. So what makes the circle different in sizes? Obviously the radius depends upon radius only. The circles whether they are small or big, we can say, isn't it? Suppose take this is a center, draw a circle like this, consider this is 3 centimeter, and again take one more circle, it is also 3 centimeter, and sorry, yeah. So if the radius is common for all 3 centimeters, so is there any difference between the sizes of different circles? No, there is no difference. All are in same sizes. Okay, it means if the radii is equal, the size of the circle is also equal. So now from that this statement is true. All the circles with same radius are equal. Okay, right. Now you have to write it is true, and reason write down based on radii only the circle size depends. If it is equal, all the circles are also I'm erasing screen, are also equal. Okay, I hope you understand. Coming to D, a line segment can be extended on its both sides endlessly to get a straight line. So we have Euclid postulate 2. What is that? What is that postulate? A terminated line segment or terminated line can be extended indefinitely. This is the postulate number 2 of Euclid's. So from this property we can say this D is a true. Suppose if I take a line segment like this, we can extend this as indefinitely or infinitely. Okay, initially consider it is A and it is B. Initially AB is a line segment, now it became a straight line. Okay, I hope you understand. We can extend both sides to get a straight line. Okay, right. Coming to E. Yeah, this is the given figure here. So AB greater than AC. Yes, we have Euclid axioms. So from the Euclid axioms, so the part whole is greater than a part. Okay, right. Whole is greater than a part. So from this axiom we can say it is true, because AB is the whole part. Okay, in that AC is a part. Okay, so AB greater than AC, it is obviously true. I hope you understand this question number 2. Thank you.